It's July 2025 Challenge Day 7. I'm revealing the herb of the month, which is oregano. Oregano is a perennial herb with fragrant leaves that are used to add flavor to many dishes. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The leaves and stems of the oregano plant contain these tiny little droplets of oil, which is where the flavor comes from. This oil is also what gives oregano its medicinal properties. When the oil is extracted from the leaves, it can be used to treat a variety of ailments, including colds, flu, and even cancer. Oregano is also a powerful insect repellent. The strong smell of oregano is enough to keep most insects away, making it a popular choice for gardeners. To grow oregano, you need well-draining soil and a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. With proper care, oregano will produce an abundance of fragrant leaves that can be used to add flavor to your favorite dishes. What are your favorite ways to use oregano? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode of the July 2025 challenge.